Alright, here's a room in the Shinjuku Hilton. I didn't want to talk outside because there was maids out there. I didn't want to be embarrassed. This is our bathroom right off the door. Pretty nifty looking mirrors. The cool Japanese toilet. And a nice little bath. Didn't have that in our last place. Here's part of our mini bar. There is Lisa and our TV. King size bed, a little bigger than the twin we had at the last place. Closet. It's got our slippers there we haven't used yet. 2 chairs. This is something nice. We told them this is our honeymoon and they left us with a little treat and even a nice little note, which I haven't read yet, but that's nice of them. And perhaps best of all is this pretty nice view of Shinjuku. You can see all these cool looking buildings, and our first time in Tokyo we kind of expected we wouldn't be able to see the end of the city, but this is proof. So yeah, we have 5 days here, only one in the Hilton, but we thought we'd splurge tonight and looking forward to it. I think there's a typhoon that's supposed to come today.